What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be testing out viral type products. I have so many new products in front of me that I have never tried before, and a lot of these are like super hyped up Instagram viral kind of products. So we are gonna test them all out today and see if they're worth the hype. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys get sucked into buying viral type products, because I know I do, because I like to test everything out. Like, is it just me or do you guys do that too? Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It'll be the first link right down below if you have not already. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Also, you guys, side note, super sorry if my voice sounds really nasally and annoying. I have been really sick and that's why I haven't been uploading as much, but I was like, I need to film. I need to upload for you guys, so I'm feeling a bit better today, but the nasaliness in my voice is still here. All right, so the first product we're gonna test out is probably like the most viral Instagram product of like all time, I feel like, and this is the Farsali Volcanic Elixir. I feel like any of the Farsali products are on like every Instagram makeup tutorial product page, and crazily enough, I've never tried one of their like elixirs before, but I recently got this one. This is the volcanic one. I don't know if it's like black. I feel like the packaging on this is different. So it might be black, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up, and we're gonna use this as our primer. I feel like you see these guys everywhere, so I'm excited. And I feel like this one's gonna be cool. So let's see. Oh my God, that is not at all what I expected. It's like yellow, and it has like, there's like a mix of something in it. Wow, okay. This is not what I expected at all. I thought this was gonna be black for some reason, but it's like, I don't really like the color. But yeah, we're gonna try this out. All right, here we go. Do it for the video. All right. I'm just gonna like do like a dot. Oh my God, this literally looks like pee. I'm sorry, but it really does. Like the color. Does it smell good? Ooh, not really. Ooh, all right. I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty blender just so that I don't have to get it all over my hands. I mean, it is making my skin look nice. Oh, but if you are sensitive to scent, oh my God, you're not gonna like this if you're sensitive to scent. This doesn't smell good at all, actually. Oh, I don't know if they all have this scent or if it's like exclusive to this like volcanic one, but I'm not crazy about the scent. It does make my skin look nice though. Like, it makes my skin look glowy. I mean, I'll give it that. But like the color is weird, which I mean, that really doesn't matter, but the smell is bad. All right, well, we are off to a fabulous start. Hopefully I like the next product a little bit better. The next product that I have is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. I've heard so much about this. The first Marc Jacobs foundation they came out with, I forget what it was called. It was like that super full coverage one. I really like that foundation, so I'm hoping that I like this one. I have this in shade medium R300. This is supposed to be a youthful look 24-hour foundation. So let's see. I like the packaging. I feel like it's a little different. I wish that it had a pump. It's like a little squeezy, but it's all right. So I'm just gonna squeeze it out onto my face and hope for the best. I don't really know how much to use, so we're just gonna go with that to start. We can always go in with more, and I'll go ahead and start blending it out. Ooh, it is blending out very easily, which is nice. It doesn't seem to be super full coverage, though. I actually don't know if this is supposed to be full coverage, so I'm gonna look that up when I'm done blending this layer out, because I actually don't know like the claims about this foundation, besides the fact that it's supposed to be 24 hours. I do feel like this foundation soaked into my skin really well. Like, it just like went straight in, which is nice. It doesn't feel like it's kind of like sitting on top of my skin, which a lot of foundations can feel like. So I like that. All right, so I just looked up the claims for this foundation. It's actually supposed to be medium coverage, and it's supposed to have a natural finish, both of which I would say it does have. I just wanted to see if it was supposed to be full coverage, because I was gonna be like, girl, no. But yeah, I would say that it is medium coverage. I like a more full coverage foundation, so I am gonna go in with a bit more and see how it builds, just because I prefer more full. But it does look nice on the skin, and like literally, do you guys see, like I just started to blend that out and it's already like soaked into my skin, which is nice. It's very easy to apply. So this might be a really nice like everyday sort of foundation. I don't know that I'll use this for like super glam makeup looks or anything, just because it's not the kind of coverage that I love. But it does definitely look nice on the skin. It does have that nice natural finish. So I do like the foundation. I just feel like it serves a specific purpose, at least for me, as more of like an everyday foundation. I can still smell that primer. Yeah, now my beauty blender smells like it. Oh, I should have blended it out with my hands. The only product that I don't have something new for is concealer, so I'm just gonna quickly go in with Tarte Shape Tape and conceal out these under eyes, and then we will be back to the regularly scheduled programming of testing new products. All right, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you could see what we're doing on the eyes here. I went and lightly filled in and kind of outlined my brows because I want to try this new tinted brow gel. So this is from Tarte, and this is called the Busy Gal Brows. So typically with tinted brow gel, I do my brows first, and then I will just use the tinted brow gel to set them. But I only very lightly did my brows. Like I didn't even put anything in the front, so we can really see like the color and how this product works. So this is what the spoolie looks like. It's very small, which I like. So I have high hopes. So let's see how this works. I'm using it again in the shade Taupe, and I'm just gonna run this through my brows. Ooh, the color is nice. Like the color actually shows up because a lot of times in these, the color doesn't show up. Oh, wow. Do you guys see how that just defined all the brow hairs like in the front of my brow? Oh, wow, this is a really nice product. Because it's like not just filling in with color, but it's like defining the hairs that you actually have and making them look like the hairs are naturally dark because mine naturally are super, super light. Oh my God, wow. But it looks like in the front of my brow that my like brow hairs are actually that color. Oh, this is nice. A lot of times tinted brow gels aren't this dark and they don't really show up. And this comes in, I believe it was like 4 different shades. I am using the lightest one, or it might have been 3 shades actually. But this is really nice. Up next for the eyes, we're gonna test out the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This is like these cute little guys from Huda Beauty. I feel like everything Huda Beauty becomes Instagram viral because like just everyone on Instagram uses her stuff. But yeah, this is the palette that we're gonna use today. And actually one thing before we get started right off the bat that I actually really like about these is that even though they're very small palettes, there's still 9 different shades in here. Like they didn't waste space. I feel like so many palettes like that have 9 shades are double the size of this just because there's more space in between the colors and stuff. Like I like when they're smaller, they're easy, they're compact, but we still get all these different colors to play with. So I like that. So I'm first gonna go in with this shade right here in my crease. But now let's see how they actually perform on the eyeballs. So just gonna blend that guy into my crease. And for these shades, they're actually all matte besides there's one shimmer right in the center. So for the most part, they're mattes. And she does have a variety of these little mini palettes that come with different shades. This is just the warm toned one, but she has like a rosy toned one, a cool toned one, and then one with like crazy colors. So they kind of have one for everyone. Then in my outer crease, I'm gonna go in with this warm toned brown. I wanna use that red, but I wanna build this in the outer crease first, and then we'll go in with the red in the more inner crease. So I'm kind of putting this in like the outer portion of my eye, as well as that outer crease area, building up that color. These shades are very pigmented, especially for mattes. Like they're definitely very pigmented, which is nice. You really don't need too much of the color to really build it up on the eye. And then on the rest of my eye, I'm gonna go down with this red color. And I'm gonna like pack this on the lid, but I also wanna go in with the shimmer. So I'm gonna just blend this onto the lid, and then we might put the shimmer on top, just so we can test that as well. And I'm also gonna bring it slightly up into the crease because we don't have to like keep it on the lid, you know? Before we go in with the shimmer, I'm gonna bring that dark color that we had in the outer crease and bring it onto my lower lash line so that I can clean up the side here. I don't really do this much like red tones in my eyes, but I'm not like hating it, you know? And then before I forget, I'll highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with this cute little highlight color. Just pack that guy on there. This highlight actually has a very yellowish undertone to it, but I don't hate it. And then we're gonna go in with the shimmery shade in the middle, all over the lid. I'm just gonna pack this guy right on top. It's like a bronzy kind of shimmer shade. I feel like I wish this was a little bit more pigmented, but since I do have the color underneath, it's okay, but it's not like a super pigmented shade, I wouldn't say. Up next, we're gonna be testing out a new liner from Smashbox. This is their Always On Liquid Eyeliner. I feel like I'm really gonna like this because I tend to like liquid eyeliners with this kind of point, so we'll see. Ooh, okay. Very pigmented, so that's good. I like barely touched my lid with it. Do a wing with this guy. Ooh, since this isn't that like flexible, so it's not that easy to do a wing, you kind of have to just wing it. Haha. Okay, that was stupid. But I don't hate it. It is so pigmented though. Oh my god, wow. Which is really, really nice because that is like super black. It doesn't seem to be really moving around too much, so it's easy to use. I just wish the tip was a little bit more flexible, so it was easier to do the wing, but also with time, it could become a lot more flexible. This is literally my first time ever using it, so it's never been used. So that can also be like part of the reason why, but overall I actually really like this. All right, this next product, I'm gonna be honest, I'm very nervous to try out. I have waited so long to not try these because I don't know, this intimidates me, these magnetic lashes. For me, I've been wearing lashes for so long that like applying adhesive and like popping them on is just like second nature. It's so easy. This to me seems more complicated, but I could see where if you're not like super into like lashes and like lash glue and stuff that you might like this. So we're gonna try it. I've never tried magnetic lashes, so I really don't know what to expect. I'm like literally gonna read the directions in the back of this because, okay, so you put the upper one on first and then the under one on, and that's basically it. I have the little accent ones. I was hoping maybe these would be a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna try this. Looks like on the back there are like 3 little magnets. Oh my God, I'm actually getting like nervous. Just gonna like lay this on my lash. Like, oh, now it's sticking to this. Okay, it's not really working with this because these are metal on the end, so I have this other one that is not metal that I don't really like, but I'm gonna try it. For this, it'll probably work better. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, I feel like this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna take the lower one and try and... You guys, I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna like cling to my like, I don't know how I feel about this. I actually think this lash is meant for this side, so we'll try over here. Okay. Laying it down, now I'm gonna get the other one. Oh, I'm gonna use the applicator the same way. Okay, they're stuck together, but they came, oh my Lord, okay. This is not that easy. I'm gonna give the other eye a whirl, see if this eye is easier. Okay, they're connected and they're on my lashes, but they're like hanging off on the one side. Yeah, if you guys can see, they're on, but they're not down low enough. So let's see if we can try and move them. I don't know if these are like movable. They look nice, but it's like getting them on is like a process. We're gonna give it one more try. Get the top guy on there. Okay, they're connected now. They're closer, at least on the one side, but on this side, they're still far. All right, so this is the closest that I can get them. Like when I'm looking straight on, I feel like they look fine, but then when I look down, you can tell that they're not like up against my lash line and there's no way to really move them up. And I literally tried like a million times and I can't get it like exactly on my lash line because the top one kind of moves when you're going to put the lower one on. So I don't know. I just don't really know. Maybe I just suck, but I find these like very difficult to use and we're gonna take them right off. I mean, they do stay, like they stick together, they will stay in your lashes, but it's just very difficult to get them up against your lash line. So if you like magnetic lashes, you guys ride for these, let me know in the comments, like how do you apply them? What was I doing wrong? Let me know because yeah, I just find these super difficult to use. So I'm gonna go in with some regular lashes and we'll be right back. All right, I got my Salon Perfect 614s on. All is good in the world. We are gonna continue on. And this next product, I'm actually really eager to try this out. This is from Butter London and this is the Glazin Blush Jelly. Jelly products, that's just gonna be like a 2018 thing, I think. We got jelly highlights, now we got jelly blushes. So let's open this guy up. Okay, yeah, so it's like 100% legit a jelly. So I'm gonna try and use, I think, like a dampened beauty sponge to like apply this to my cheeks. So I guess I'm just gonna dunk it in there. Ooh, this makes me nervous, but just wanna get a little teeny bit. Ooh, it's like, it's touching it, but then it's like not going on it. All right, we got a little on the sides there. That's not really what I was hoping for, but I'll do it like this. Okay, that worked. And then just gonna like bounce and blend it out. Well, it feels really cooling on the skin. It's not, it doesn't blend out like that easily. You actually have to work like really, really quick with this, I feel like. I'm just gonna keep pouncing. I only use like a teeny tiny bit, so I might go in with like a little bit more. This is pretty, but I feel like it kind of looks like streaky. I'm trying to blend it, but it's not. I'm like pouncing it hard. Maybe it's because like I set my foundation and stuff with a powder. Like maybe I was supposed to put this on before that, but I would never normally do that. Like I would never put this on and then set a powder over the blush. Like that doesn't make any sense. So I feel like this product wouldn't really work for me. It would only work for people that don't set their foundations with powders. Because it's like starting to like ball up a little bit right there. I don't know, I don't really love this product. Like it feels cool on the skin, but I don't see myself using it. It definitely does dry down to a powder. Like it doesn't stay a jelly, which I like better than like cream blushes that stay cream. But I feel like you have to work with this so quickly because it really does like turn into a powder very, very quickly. Like, I don't know if I love this blush, honestly. Up next for highlighter, we're gonna be testing out this new duo. This is from Urban Decay, and this is their holographic disco stick, and this is the holographic highlight powder. So we're gonna test them together. I'm gonna put the stick first and then the powder on top. So I'm gonna apply this to my fingertip first. Looks really pretty, and I'm just gonna tap this on my cheeks. Ooh, okay. I like it. Definitely has like a purpley undertone, so I'm sure when we emphasize it with the powder, it's gonna be like super purple, but that's really pretty. Kind of matches my nails. And you know what's really nice about this too is this doesn't feel sticky at all. Like, it is like a liquid cream like product, but it doesn't feel sticky. And then on top of that, we will go in with the purple powder from Urban Decay. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's really pretty. I thought it was gonna be a darker purple and I wasn't gonna like it, but that is so pretty. Holy crap. Obviously it doesn't really go with my eye look. My eye look is so warm and this is so like cool and like purpley blue, but oh my Lord. Wow, this is really, really nice. This might be like my favorite holographic highlighter that I've used. It's like so blinding, but I still find it to be like wearable. I don't know, like I just really, really like this. Like, I find a lot of them aren't wearable, but this one is so pretty, like when the light hits it. Wow. And then last but not least, we're gonna try out this lip gloss from Becca. This is really cool because it's supposed to be like color changing. So this is their Liptuitive Glow Gloss. So as you can see, the gloss itself looks kind of like a bluish purpley color, but then the actual like doe foot is pink. And I believe when you apply this to your lips, then it kind of like custom creates a color. Like, it goes on clear and then it'll create a color. So we're gonna see how this works. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is supposed to do. And my assumption is it's gonna be like pink because the doe foot's pink. Oh yeah, you can definitely already tell it's already changing to like a pinky color. Oh wow, yeah, it keeps getting like darker and darker. I definitely think that like color changing lip products are gonna be like a big trend in 2018. I don't know how I personally feel about it. I feel like when I apply a color on my lips, I just want it to stay that color. But this is kind of cool. It's getting like more and more pink by the second. But I know Tarte came out with like color change lipsticks too, and then Becca has this. I feel like it's gonna be a trend. This look doesn't really go together so well. Like, I feel like the eyes, the highlight, and the lip are all so different and like should be pieced together differently, but I wanted to test out as many products as I could for you guys in one video that are like new and trending and stuff. So I hope you guys still did enjoy. This literally just keeps getting pinker. It's actually really cool how it like changes like that. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It'll be the first link right down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.